Hey guys, we're going to look at the A minor blues scale. So this is really it's a bit of a mishmash of scales, but you've got a A minor pentatonic with a few extra notes thrown in, and it's a heap of fun. So we're going to take the A minor pentatonic and put it up in the E position. So 5th fret is where you start, but we're going to change up a little bit. Okay, so if we're starting up on this 5th fret, we'll start with our 3rd finger, and our next note, which would be with our pinky, we're going to actually use our 1st finger there on that 3rd fret on the A string, and this already opens up a really funky little blues tone for you. Okay, so 5, 3. Now we're going to add in a note between the 5th and the 7th here. Gives you a little blues run. So now we've got really cool. Right. Same thing we can do on the next string, and that really finishes off our 1st octave there. So you've got a now dropping back to the 7th, you can also add that extra note in. So start to see this is fun, really fun scale to play. Now, jumping into our 2nd octave there. So we've got, that's our pentatonic, but we can actually throw in a couple of extra notes here. You can drop in that minor, just as a little slight. Just tweaks it, but really, you've got very, very, very funky note there. So that note there, we're basically going to bounce off that 6th fret. All right. Okay. Now, on the other side of that note, just that extra, really, really cool. So that's just going up onto that 8th. So on our 2nd octave, all right, we're starting to really blues it up. Starting to get a few feels for this. All right, now you can throw in your extension boxes and stuff, and we'll look at that later, but what we really just want to do is probably focus on this part, this bit of the scale. So if we've got, there's first part of a descending run, so that's our pentatonic. Now the bluesy version is way cooler. All right, so let's go through that descending run just so we've got something to really stick to. So we've got, all right, So it's 8, 5, 8, 5. We're going to go 8, 7, 5. Now finish on that root note A on the 7. We're going to bounce back. Okay, that's hitting that 6. Then down. So 7, 6, 5, 7, 6, 5, 3 on the A. Okay, so and again. And again. Now, you can use that as a base and really vary it up with whatever you like, hammer-ons, pull-off slides. And you start to get pretty shredding sort of riffs coming out. And it's fun. Did I mention it was fun? So, what I want you to do is just hammer this scale. It's, yeah, it's got to be a favourite. The best thing about it is it's totally movable. So pick a key, find it wherever it is in that E position and go for it. We'll see you next time.